It doesn't matter how good videos you make on YouTube. If your ideas are bad, no one will watch it. And if you're an entrepreneur who doesn't have any time but want to come up with unlimited ideas, which are good ideas, I have such a simple framework for you. It's so simple. Let me show you how. The first thing that we have to do is you have to figure out what is your goal with the channel. And it's not a building a personal brand. Everybody says that. I ask a lot of people, everybody says, oh, I want to build a personal brand. No. What is the goal of your channel? Why do you want to build that personal brand? It will be 99% of the time to make money and generate impact. And that's perfect. That's very good. But if that is the case, if you are an entrepreneur and you have a business and you just want to use YouTube to have more eyes on your business, to sell coaching, to sell your business, then we are not looking for high view counts. We are looking for quality view counts. We are looking for one quality view over 100 normal views. Because if you have somebody who watches our videos and they like the idea, they want to work with us, they want to buy our course, they want to work with the software, it's much bigger impact for us than if you have 100 normal views and 50 of them are kids, 50 of them are adults who like to watch sports, and it doesn't even connect to us. It's true on the other way around. If you make videos which is for your audience and one quality viewer, you can help them much more. You can generate much bigger impact in them because they have a specific problem that you will solve. But let's talk about that later. So the first thing that you have to do is figure out your audience. Who is your audience? Who are you selling to? If you have this down, if you have this ready, it will solve 90% of the problems because you know who is your audience. But you also have to think about, would this audience buy my product? So it's not just about who watches your videos, but who do you want to watch your videos? Like this video, I want entrepreneurs to watch these videos because I want to help busy entrepreneurs to make content easier. So my audience is you who are watching this, an entrepreneur who is busy with time but wants to create content because knows how good content creation is. And if I know this, I know who is my audience and I can create content for them. And this is our next point. You have to make videos for this audience. You have to solve their problems and you have to help them on their journey. And this comes from teaching them your own mistakes from your own journey, and this comes from teaching them your ways of getting things done. This will make sure that you know what you are talking about, and this will make sure that they get real information, they get real impact, which we are looking for. And because we want to solve their problems, we have to know their problems. And this is when the audience part comes in again. But you have to be more specific and create a problem list. You have to be so specific in this problem list. So for example, if I have basketball course, I want to teach everybody how to play basketball. My audience is people who want to play basketball. And when I write my problem list, I don't write they don't know how to play sports. I write, they don't know how to play basketball. They don't know how to shoot the basketball. You know, it's specific to your audience. Because if you have this problem list down, the audience will feel like you are talking to them because they have these problems. And this is why they will get impact, because they have these problems and you seem to know their every problem. They will sit there like, whoa. How does this guy know my problems? Like I have these problems and this guy answers it all. And this will make sure they want to watch the videos. Because if you solve one of their problems, they will want to solve another problem and another problem. And then you make videos for them. And they will build trust because you have been solving their problems for so long time. This is why you need a problem list. And again, it comes back, we want to target leads and not viewers. We don't care about high view counts. No, we don't want millions of subscribers. It sounds cool, but it doesn't matter because we want viewers who are leads to our business. And our videos will be specific, and that's fine. That's fine. We don't have to create first one to leave the circle gets $1 million. We don't have to create these videos. We can create so specific videos like how to click a button to make this in your software so you can do this. It's not a problem if it's specific. You will see hundreds of views and that's no problem. No problem, because out of these 200 people who watches your videos, maybe 50 of them will want to work with you, or 100 of them will want to work with you. And there's so much more money than if you have millions of views from everywhere in the world, and probably 2 people want to work with you. So we know who are we talking to and who we want to reach. But if all this seems hard and you are still lost and doesn't understand it because you're an entrepreneur who likes this content stuff but doesn't have the time, doesn't have the resources, Compera can help you with that. We are helping entrepreneurs to make content creation easy, building their teams, building out systems, and creating the whole processes and structure for their content. And if we know who we are talking to and who we want to reach and we create idea based on that, people will click the video. But how can we make them want to work with us? It's not enough for people to click the video, we want them to work with us. And the best way to do this is to build out trust. And you can build out trust with the whole video because you are solving their problems. But this comes down to scripting. And lucky for you, I have a video about this, so go watch it right now.